Wake up! Footwork Friday! Let's work our feet! Hey there, my name is LiWen. So today is a really important tutorial because it's all about the feet. And why am I doing this tutorial? Because as dancers, our feet is what carries the rest of our body. But so many times people don't really know what to do with their feet. So today we're gonna give our feet some extra TLC. And to have really good feet allows you to have really good balance, really good turnout, really beautiful leg lines. But first things first, let's have a little dance anatomy. Very often you hear your teachers say, turnout. What does that mean? Inside edge of foot, outside edge of foot, sickle foot. So I'm gonna break it all down. So let's talk about different feet positions. This is parallel. So both feet form a number 11. For a turnout, you bring your heels together and have your toes pointing outwards, having a V shape between your feet. That's your turned out feet position. Now, let's talk about the foot itself. Of course, we know toe, heel, and we have a ball of foot, which is kind of the plumb side of the bottom of your foot. So when we say apply pressure on the ball of the foot, that's what we mean of your pressing down into the tops of the feet here into the floor. So that's pressure. Now, inside edge, outside edge. Inside edge means the big toe side of your foot. So in Latin dancing, we're always applying pressure on the big toe side of the foot. So you put your foot on the floor and you just put weight into the big toe side, just all along that edge, pressing down, especially into right here, kind of this little nub on the bottom of your foot. That's the inside edge. Now, outside edge is the pinky side of your foot, so the other side. And that's a big no-no for Latin dancing. We don't want to roll to the outside edge of our foot because that makes us lose our balance. And we want to keep all our energy centered within more of the midline of our body. Turn out, inside edge of the feet, so rolling into the big toe side. And then we have the toe of the foot, so which is basically taking the top part of your toes and touching that down to the floor. So when we say stretch your foot, so only the toe touches the floor, that's what we mean. Everything else is lifted off. And that also means pointing all of your toes so that they're straight down and squeezing the gaps between your toes. Now when I put my foot down into the ball of the foot, I want to actually spread my toes a little bit and create a little more space between my toes, so that I now have a little bit more surface area to work with, and that creates a little more balance and helps me apply pressure into the floor. And lastly, there is the sickle foot. The sick foot, no! The sick foot. So we have the point of the foot, and the sickle of the foot is basically pointing the foot by rolling to the outside edge of the foot. And this can show up in unexpected ways. So you just want to watch for it and always work big toe side of the foot. I know you know that by now, yeah? Now that you are well versed in foot anatomy, let's get some exercises in so you can work on point of the foot, pressure in the ball of the foot, getting more flexibility through the front of your feet, as well as the arch of your foot. Latin heels, damn those Latin heels. Today we're letting go of the Latin heels and going barefoot. So we can feel the connection of our feet with the ground, what our toes are doing, the balls of the feet, inside edge of the foot, what we're doing with the arches, what not to do with the outside edges of our feet. Shall we get started? Just follow along. 5, 6, 7, right heel lifts up and lower. Press into the floor. Press the top of your right foot out. Switch to the other side. Left heel lifts and lower. your glutes engaged. Switch to the right foot. Roll over the top of the foot. Ball of foot and down. Again. 2 more times. Right side. Ball of the foot. Roll over the top. Press the ball down. How high can you keep your heel lifted? Aha. Other side. Ball. Roll over the foot. And down. Ball. Roll over. And down. Nice. And both heels lift up and down. Press your floor away from you. Feel your quads working. Then right foot goes to the side and low. Second position. Up. Down. Both knees are straight. And left side. Left heel lifts. And lower. Pressure into the floor. Nice. Back to the right foot. Ball to the toe. Ball and down. Ball, toe, ball, and down. Again, ball, toe. Rotate your right thigh forward. Last one. And left side. Up, toe, ball, and lower. To the toe, ball, foot, and lower. Press your heel up. Yeah, extra points if you can keep your heel turned towards me. Nice. We lift up and down. Up and down. Last one. And bring your right foot in from the top. And lower. And lower. Pressure into the floor. Switch left side. How slow can you sustain the lowering of your heel? Nice. And right side, roll over the top of the foot. Ball of foot and down. Roll over. Ball of the foot. Down. 2 more times. Last one. Yeah, feel the stretch in the top of your foot. Other side. Work those toes. Say hello to your toe knuckles. Last one. Ball foot, roll over, ball. And both heels lift up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Right foot to the side. And right foot lifts and down. Again, both legs straight. Up and down. Last one. Switch to the left side. Lifts and lower. Lifts and lower. Keep pressing. Ball the foot into the floor. Nice. Back to the right side. Ball, toe. Ball, down. Are you squeezing your glutes? Yeah. 2 more. And ball to the toe. Ball and down. Ball to the toes. Squeeze your toes. Now relax the toes. Left side. Ball and toe. Ball and down. Ball, toe, ball, and down. Last one. Now releve. Both heels lift, go up. Press the floor away. Shoot the crown of your head up. Last one. And bring your right foot in and shift. Alright, nice. Did you like the exercises that we just did? And would you like to see more of such drills that you can practice along with on Footwork Fridays? If so, please let me know. Write a comment below. Wow, that rhyme was so unintentional because I really suck at rhyming things. Last week, Tytus promised you that he will reveal the secret to why being an amazing dancer doesn't always get you the opposite sex's attention. And now I have to tell you the answer. That's because sometimes being an amazing dancer can be super intimidating. So in order to get the other party's attention, what you want to do is to project confidence, but also enjoyable energy towards the other person, so that the other person feels this sense of warmth towards you. So we here at DanceInsanity, we want to show you how to be the best possible dancer. And that includes not just your dance moves, but the way you exude confidence and energy towards your partner and anybody else that you come across on the dance floor and also off the dance floor. That's why you've got to check out our free dance tutorial, 6 tips for sexy hips, where we'll share these secrets that you can use to not only improve your hip action, but also create great energy to attract the opposite sex. Link is in the description below. Check it out. I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity, and like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, come back and visit us often. And next week, Tytus is going to show you how to move your feet in unexpected ways. I will see you in the next video.